I got that grumpy old man out for a walk here. But visibility's pretty terrible. This is supposed to be quite the storm. What are we at? Well, less than a quarter mile anyways. See how far we get. He doesn't seem terribly impressed right now. He likes the cold, but he doesn't like snow blowing in his face. Huh. Well, if we find out anything interesting, make any fun discoveries, I'll bring you back on. Otherwise, time to freeze. What do you think, buddy? Huh? Alright. Hey, Grumpy. Hey, Grumpy. Hey, Grumpy. What do you want to do? You want to go home already? Really? Yeah, okay. Let's see. Come on, we're going this way. No, we're going this way. There you go. You don't seem too enthusiastic, kid. Come on, old man. Hey, something's gonna bite your nose. What is it that you think you found? Buddy. Hey, old man. I think you scared it away. I don't think you're gonna get it, buddy. It's gonna bite your nose. It's gonna bite your nose. Maybe it's that skunk that we can smell something awful. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. You're digging a crater in the middle of the trail. Anyways, it's beautiful out here in the trees. The snow looks awesome. But it has stunk a skunk out here. Like 2 or 3 days now. And it was ripe coming in. Like so fresh it makes you nauseous even. But it's beautiful down here right now. Snow's gorgeous. It's cold. Hey. Hey. That's about enough. Now I gotta fill that in before somebody breaks an ankle. Come on. No, you're done. Oh, goodness. Come on. Alright, you're done. I gotta fill that in. This is gonna be fun. Alright. Okay, so there's nothing like a walk in the woods in the snowstorm to improve your disposition. Especially if you stick your nose in a hole and run around and you stop being, you know, Captain Grumpy McFuzzbutt and you turn into Goofball McFruitcake. Hey, what you doing? Ah, my dog's different. Isn't that amazing? Can't see the skull on her bum. She's snowy. Which is a joke because she's afraid of her own shadow. Yes, you are. Who's a fruitcake? Yeah. To steal a page from Uncle Hazeo's book of firelighting tricks. I got a different dog. Okay, time to go walk around in the snow some more. It's beautiful out here. Okay, slow down. Wait for me. Hey, can you wait? No? Okay. Time to go have fun.